If you want to change lock screen clock on POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max, first we need to open settings. Once you go to settings, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to personalization. In here we should be able to customize our lock screen quite easily, so you can just tap on it. In here we have our clock, so this is the standard default clock, and if you tap on it, then you have the selection of different clock faces. So as you can see, we can move the clock up, we have different styles. You can also use one of these big clocks in here, so you can try to find your favorite one. There we go. As you can see, the list goes on and on. We have Eastern aesthetics, so we have magazine, doodle, lock screen, and so on and so forth. And each of these different clock faces, they might have different additional settings. So for example, in the case of the classic style, if I go to font, I can actually use a different font in here. I can adjust its thickness, I can choose a different color, and so on and so forth. But if I choose, let's say, this big clock over here, and if I go to font, then now, as you can see, I can only change the color, and there are no more settings. So here, in this case, there we go. In the case of Eastern aesthetics, we have many different additional clock faces to choose from. So as you can see, the list gets bigger and bigger. We can also use separate colors for hours and minutes. So as you can see, lots of additional settings. Unfortunately, we cannot simply move the clock up and down. We cannot really make it bigger or smaller. We can do that with the wallpaper. So we can only use these preset options in here, and you can customize in this little menu. So that is pretty much it. Once you are done with the customization, you can just use the apply button in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. Leave a like and subscribe.